Royal Building Products ThermoStop Weather Seal is available in several different lengths and colors. When replacing old trim, the existing trim will need to be removed first with the garage door in the up position. To begin the installation process, start with the garage door in the down position. Measure out from the door face 2 3/8 inches and place a mark on the jamb every few feet to assure proper alignment and seal compression for optimal door performance. The 2149 Uniflex is positioned 2 3/8 inches from the door. Prep the horizontal vinyl trim by starting the installation nails at 8-inch intervals along the trim length. Some profiles have pre-punched nail guides every 8 inches for quick reference. Now you can measure the top opening from side to side and cut the Royal ThermoStop ends square with a cutting tool or fine-tooth saw. Place the groove side against the jamb with the flexible vinyl flap facing in. Now align the hard vinyl to the marks on the jamb and begin nailing every 8 inches. The vertical vinyl trim is installed the same way by measuring, cutting, and positioning to the marks placed on the jamb. At the top of each of the vertical pieces, make an inward 45-degree cut on the flexible PVC. This will align with the horizontal vinyl trim piece you installed earlier and give a clean, professional fit. With the door in the up position, you can finish nailing the vertical vinyl trim, making sure it makes contact but does not bind or bunch against the door, allowing it to open and close with ease.